Sithokoza Mhlonishwa Vessels.
Thank you, Honourable Chairperson. Chairperson, the plight of the students because of financial exclusion is a legitimate plight. But we can never condone violence and lawlessness. If you break the law, you should bear the consequences. No matter how noble the
Order,
cause
honorable members, I
is.
can't hear the member on the podium. Continue,
Chairperson.
honorable Vessels.
Chairperson, it is unacceptable that irreplaceable books, paintings, buildings, and so forth was destroyed during these protests. This did not serve the goal of obtaining free higher education. It was detrimental to that goal. 800 million rand, Honourable Ndlozi, could have funded 8,000 students to obtain a degree. 8,000 students. But that was destroyed by lawlessness. But the EFF does not understand that because they are still in a revolution. That party you missed, the revolution is over. We need restoration, not a revolution. We need to build this country. And what you are preaching is breaking down and destroying the
Honourable
country,
Vessels.
which is not. in
Honorable
the-
Vessels,
On a
please
point
take
of
your
order.
seat. Yes, why are you rising, honorable member?
This member keeps on pointing at us and saying that we do not need a revolution. we need
Honorable
restoration.
member,
Of course, we need the restoration of the land.
what is
That's
your point of
compensation.
order? That's a point of, you are
He's
debating.
He's addressing us. He's supposed to address the House.
Okay, thank you.
And
That's
I'm
the point
emphasizing
of
that
order
we
I will
of course need
accept.
the restoration
Thank
of the
you.
land.
No, don't debate, honorable member. Thank you very much. Honorable Vessels, please continue, and
Chairperson.
you have heard.
It is unfortunate when some members' minds are behind bars. The problem is that the tendency
Point of order.
is to break down when someone is
Honorable
unhappy.
Vessels, please take your seat. On what rule are you rising, honorable member?
It's a point of order, Chair. Isn't it true that an empty vessel makes the loudest noise?
Honorable member, no, that's not a point of order, and we can't continue like that. Continue, honorable Vessels.
And if you strike a full vessel, you won't move it. Honourable Chairperson, the tendency to destroy is not limited to feast must fall. And it's also not only the EFF that's preaching lawlessness. It's also the members of the ruling party, their alliance partners, that has had that tendency for years. When members of the ANC in a municipality are unhappy, they burn. They burn houses, they burn constituency offices, they burn the mayor's house, and then it's factions within the ruling party. That is lawlessness and anarchy. We cannot build a country and be economic viable if we continue on this trend. Chairperson, the Honourable Ndlozi is correct. These students do not fall in the same category of criminals as Dluzana Zuma and so forth. And also not in the same category of the Honourable Malema, who with his former comrades stole money which could have funded free higher education. It is the corruption of people like Julius Malema and comrades in the ANC that are stealing the money
Point of
from
order.
Honorable
the
Vessels,
students and
please
the poor.
take your seat. Yes, honorable member.
Can you please tell that man
Honorable,
not
what
to
you are,
call
honorable,
the CIC Julius Malema is honorable Julius Malema. Tell him.
honorable member, every member of the house should be referred to as an honorable. Please continue.
I said
On a
honourable,
point
but
of
I'll say
order,
dishonourable this time.
On a point of order, Chairperson,
Yes, honorable member.
that member must withdraw whatever you have said about the Commander-in-Chief. He knows as well, he must bring a substantive motion to the House. He must withdraw. Otherwise, he won't continue speaking there. on that
Honorable
what he's
member,
doing.
you have made your point. Don't give rulings. Honorable member, you know that to bring any aspersions, you have to bring a substantive motion. And in this instance, you said a member of this house had looted. And please withdraw from that.
Thank you, Chairperson. Unfortunately, I cannot withdraw the truth. It is the dishonorable
Chairperson,
Malema
Chairperson.
who stole
Honourable
the money
member.
from the
Chairperson.
students.
Honourable
and
member.
Can you return
Honourable
the league of
members.
the
the poor as a plight. You are not
Can you
interested in
return-
the plight of the poor. You're only
Honorable vessels, we are working according to the rules in this house. I ask you to withdraw that part. I'm asking you to withdraw the part. It's on here. Continue.
Please
You
call
must
the
withdraw.
bouncers to take this
Continue on.
man out. Call the bouncers.
Honorable member,
Continue on.
wait, Honorable Dlamini,
No,
let
you
me
must
talk to
withdraw. You
Mr.
can't
Vessels.
continue.
Honorable Vessels, please withdraw and we can go on with the work.
for the first time, the second time, and the third time. I cannot withdraw the
If
truth.
you cannot withdraw, would you please leave the podium? Thank you.
He must go to Orania from